just doing the bodywork on this BMW M235i, and I'm going to need the rear bumper off. You can see it's got some bad damage here. The quarter's been tucked in on the impact area there, so I need to take the bumper off just to repair this and straighten it out. I've noticed there's, unlike the inner arch liner, these go onto the bumper, they're going to need to come out. There'll be something in there that'll need to come out. The rear lights, don't know if they need to come out or not. That one needs to come out anyway for the repair, so I'm going to take that out and I'm going to whip that one out. I do think they need to be out to remove the rear bumper. So to remove these rear lights, we've got these covers here. I'll just flick them open. Another one there. And inside you've got two 10mm. Bit tight, but it'll come out in the end. Clip there. There's that clip that's pushed in, and it just pushes into there. So that's a bit tight, so just bear in mind. A little bit of brute force to get that out. There's one up there, so the 8mm goes up there into the quarter panel through the end of the bumper. So the clip's destroyed on that one. I've had to grip it with some miniature grips. I'll probably have to nut and bolt it back together, but that's what you'll get. It'll have one of them up into there, and the same obviously on the other side. That should just pull off there. Might need something to undo that. Screwdriver. We'll have a look underneath, see what's underneath first. So there's 8mm there, we'll have to get that out. That's got loose. So I'm just repeating everything on this side, and it's got a couple more bolts in, so add another bolt there at the lower of that inner dirt liner, and it's got another one here, so there's two bolts there. To be honest, the other side of the car, it has had a repair, so someone's most likely stripped it and not put them all back in, probably lost them or something. But anyway, just wanted to show you that there's some extra bolts, and there will be some extra bolts on the other side. So that's all the bolts removed out of this side. So this here, that's loose. It's got a different screw up in there. Don't know why, it's probably a Torx or something. Looks like possibly, yeah, it's a small Torx. Don't know if it's meant to have that in or a bigger one like what's come out the other side. But it's been messed about with before, but you know where the screw is on the end, so that's pretty loose now. Probably just pull off. Something else I've noticed, there should be some screws in here. So there would be 4 screws across here. Let me get a light. there'll be 4 screws across here from this bumper panel, this lower bumper panel, into this dirt shield. That should be over the top like that, bolted in, but it's not. It's just hanging free because, again, someone must have had the bumper off and lost the bolts. Just get that screwdriver in there. And we've got the sensors all connected separately. That's handy. So they're all going to need unplugging separately, and they just pull out. Not too bad. Normally they're a pain. So that's one bumper removed. So I'm going to get on now and I'm going to repair the side of this car. If you want to see the video on repairing the side of this car, the filler work, then look out for the next video on this vehicle.